Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Enjoy 60X and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, we have to open the app which will provide us with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen. And right now all we have to do is to tap on the three dots icon. So let's tap on it and then tap on the settings. Here, let's tap on the languages, and as you can see, we've got basically three different lists, only two are visible right now. Here we've got our languages, which simply means that here we will have those which are currently applied. Here we've got pre-installed languages, so you can try to find your language here. However, if you cannot, simply turn it off. And here we've got another section, all languages, so I'm pretty sure that you will find something right here. You simply have to find and tap on it. Your device will download the language and apply it immediately. But let me pick something from the pre-installed languages, and let me pick maybe this one. If you find the language, simply tap on it. So let me tap on this one. Here we've got the keyword OK, whatever. After getting back to the top of the list, you can see that in this section we've got the new language added. It is immediately active, as you can see. And here we can after tapping, we can change the layout. So in this chosen one, we've got two different options from which we can choose. So simply mark this one which would like to apply. In the English, of course, we've got the QWERTY. However, yeah, we've got, of course, more options to choose from. Up to you. All right, let's go back to the keyboard and check, because we will have some differences. What is that? Let me remove it. So the difference in the keyboard is the spacebar, because right now it is not empty. We've got the name of the language we are currently using. So right now we've got the English layout, and in order to change it, we have to swipe on the spacebar, just like that. So it's pretty easy to swipe between the languages, and right now I can freely type in different language. Let me do it again and again, English. So right now let me show you how to remove the language, because as you can see right now we've got two different languages. And sometimes you don't really want to have too much of them. You just want to change it to one language. So let's enter the settings here again. Tap on the languages, and simply, in order to disable the language, we have to tap on this switcher. So it will not be visible on the keyboard. However, it is still here, which is quite a cool option, because whenever you will decide that you want to turn it on, it will be here. You don't have to swipe, through the list. So you can activate it whenever you want to, just by tapping on the switcher, and you can also remove it totally from here. Just tap on it, hold it, and tap on delete. As you can see, it will disappear. And here you can see that the spacebar is empty, so we cannot swipe on it. So we've got only one layout, in my case, English. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.